You guys, welcome back. Today I'm making roasted chili flakes, a simple but an essential tabletop condiment. I'm starting with dried Thai red chilies. Use your favorite variety. I'm using jinda today. On medium-low heat, in goes the chilies in a dry pan. A light sprinkle of salt. And stir for 20 to 30 minutes. Keep a close eye on them because they can burn quickly. Once they've developed a deeper red color, with slight charring, shut off the heat. They'll be brittle and can snap in half easily. Use a sieve to separate these loose seeds. They'll be bitter. Discard them. Blend them up into a powder like this. It has a nutty aroma with a spicy roasted flavor. Allow them to cool down and then store in a tightly sealed jar. I like to store them in the fridge and they can keep fresh and aromatic for up to a year. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button to show some love, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.